What's going on, YouTube family, and welcome to our channel, Cool Case Adventures. Your Central Florida family happens to be here at Universal Stella Nova, which is the newest hotel here at Universal Studios. Actually, it's the 9th hotel, and this hotel currently has about 750 rooms, if I'm not mistaken. It's the first hotel out of the 3 they're gonna open right next to Epic Universe.
Nice.
So basically in this video, we're gonna take you inside. We're gonna give you a really quick tour of everything. And then we're gonna give you, most importantly, a room tour with the pool view.
Yes.
So
Pool view.
hope you guys are ready for that one, because got a lot of details to show you. Also, guys, if you enjoy this type of content, Universal content, hotel content, and traveling content, I highly suggest that you stick around, because we have a bunch to show you. We also suggest that you
Subscribe.
and smash that like button if we're sharing any valuable content with you. Karen, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Awesome, because I am. So what are we waiting on?
So let's go.
Well, hey, hit the intro.
I could show you how to defeat the
Ooh, look at this Jurassic Park car over here. I like that thing over there.
It's a big.
Pretty big one,
Because usually they make them small. So that was pretty.
right? It's really quick tour of the hotel. Of the lobby right now, you have the Universal Studio store. You have the luggage, where you drop off your luggage. At the moment of recording, they have this photo op right in here. And the vacation planning center. They also have the Nova Bar and the Cosmo Cafe and Market. I'm digging this area, the waiting area over here. That is pretty cool. So you have the Cosmo Cafe and Market. So here's the market. I gotta start scoping to see if we could have dinner tonight here. I just wanna come here in the dining room and show you the dining room. It's pretty cool, pretty neat. And obviously if you order, you go over there and pick up your food from that window. Thank you so much. Anyway, guys, this is basically the pool area.
The bar over there?
Yeah, they have a bar. I think they serve food over there. We should go over there and check it out really quick. So once you exit the lobby, you will find the Galaxy Grill. And if I read correctly, they do have similar of the menus that we have inside.
I'm sure it'll be. Obviously, it's way smaller.
Here's an example of what you guys can find on the menu with the prices. Now we're entering to the pool area. Typical Universal, the pool is normally big. That's one thing I enjoy about the pools here in Universal's hotels. There is a hot tub. Basically, that's the hot tub right there. Looks like a very decent size, about 3 feet deep. And here's the Galaxy Bar. As you can see, people are like just enjoying their time over here, out here. Yeah. But anyway, Karen, at this point, the time has arrived.
Okay.
We do have to go to our
Oh no.
room, because we do have
this view.
a pool view. So we'll show you, we'll go ahead and give you a room tour. Planning a vacation can be very exciting, but also very stressful. Sometimes it's hard to plan when you don't have all the answers needed, or you're not sure about what process to follow. Trust us when we say it can be very time consuming.
This is the reason why we encourage you to contact us and allow us the opportunity to be your travel agents. Cool Case Adventures is affiliated with PCO Travel, and our main goal is to help you plan your dream vacation so you can create the best memories of your life.
Whether you want to go to Universal Studios Florida or Universal Studios Hollywood, we will be able to assist you planning every step of the way.
We are certified Universal Studios travel agents and recognized as a Universal Preferred Travel Agency, and our knowledge in the parks, restaurants, and hotels can definitely help you with your planning. The best part is that it will not cost you anything extra.
Let's start planning your next adventure. And for now, all you have to do is fill out the questionnaire in the description below, and we will be contacting you right away. Yeah, once you exit the elevator, Well, you get a view. This is Universal Boulevard.
What's that?
And down there is SeaWorld.
That's cool.
So this is our side
Right.
of view. That's what I mean. You pay for an upgrade on the pool, which is nice, but if you get the front of the hotel, then you will actually get the theme park. So check out the hallways. Yeah, oh my God, the smell of
Oh, brand
brand new carpets and all that.
Nice.
Karen Doan is the owner.
Khalil's doing that.
Oh, Khalil did it.
Do not disturb.
Dreams are universal.
That's
Yeah.
cute. That's cool.
Tell you what, the smell of new wood.
It's awesome. I love it.
Oh my God, we never done this before.
I love it.
I know it's always been your dream to own a brand new house.
Brand new house, yeah.
He brought you to a brand new
Hey,
hotel.
one step closer.
We're the first one staying in
In
this
this.
room. All right, so let's give people the tour.
Okay.
So starting over here on the right hand side, you got the closet.
You got the closet. You got your safe. You have an iron. The ironing board, very galactically.
Yeah, I see that.
You have extra spare bedding.
Uh-huh.
And I don't know why there's a key all the way up there. Oh, so they can close it, I guess.
Yeah,
But that's super high. That's definitely not for us.
very fancy thermostat right over there. Okay, we're going to the...
Khalil's throne.
Carlos
He's
not
He's
here.
usually he would be
Normally
up
he
there.
will represent.
Yeah.
But anyway, that's basically how the toilet looks like. Spare towels. Now, look at this branded conditioner and shampoo. And then they have a bar soap over there. Pretty tall though.
It's very tall. Very
Yeah,
basic
I like that.
for a bathroom.
Not bad at all.
No.
So you got one sink over here. Ooh,
Sorry.
All
I'm
right.
the lights, guys.
yeah, nothing wrong with that. So facial soap with the Universal Stella Nova branding.
You have your blow dryer.
Look at this.
Towels. This is pretty cool. Oh, that's interesting. No? That's kind of weird.
Oh, so yeah,
Oh, well.
so it gives you privacy
Little
in
bit of
that
privacy
in that
if you want
area.
it. Yeah, not bad.
Yeah, if you don't want anybody to see you from here, but right over here towards my left hand side, you have a refrigerator.
The refrigerator, brand new.
Everything smells new. Good Lord, that's
maker,
awesome.
Coffee. Obviously, you're gonna have some drawers here.
What is this thing? Oh, like
Maybe a speaker. 'Cause there's two of them. It might be speakers.
really? Huh? Okay.
Drawers. You're gonna
Alright.
have four of those. A very cute. Oh, that's cool.
To a charging station.
Charging station.
You got USB, USB-C, you have the regular plugs, you got a rundown.
Check out being green, cleaning house. You know, the normal stuff. You have your phone. You have your.
Look at this.
That's pretty big TV.
Now,
What if all your phones are out of battery?
oh, you're out of luck.
No TV for you.
So let's see, let's,
That's cool.
right?
Very high tech. Very spacey. Maybe.
Maybe.
We'll see.
It's still uploading.
It's still it's new, guys. Give it a minute.
But I like the fact, the web remote, you have the Universal app,
Explore your hotel.
hotel.
There you
Oh,
go.
no, I got it now. Okay,
Yeah,
let's see.
Maybe.
Maybe not.
Oh, you gotta play with that.
No, it's
Is that the
doing
button?
it. It has a delay.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at the volume.
The
Look.
volume. He's controlling the volume.
That's pretty
That's
cool.
cool.
Let's see the channel.
There we go.
Look at us, so fancy.
Oh, that's cool.
Okay, you can mute it from here.
That is super cool.
That is pretty cool, right?
Yeah, I like it.
Anyway, there's that. Let me put the remote control down. Oh, those are lights. They do look like speakers, though.
They do look like speakers, but they're lights.
And these are not. No, these are not sofa bed. They look like sofa bed almost.
There's a lot of
Do that
lighting.
again. Oh wow.
There's a lot of lighting, which I like.
So anyway, guys, this is a pool view 2 queen bedroom, and this is basically what it looks like. So you saw Karen doing one of the switches over there. That's the pool. We were right over there. Oh, they do have the remote over here. Duh.
Just in case. But you can't control it from the...
Yeah,
From
but
you.
there you go. You have the charging
Another charging station.
station over there as well.
Right. Oh, does this charge?
It might. Yes, it does charge. Shout out to Universal. Hey.
Maybe we should tell Carla to charge her phone.
Hold on, you're gonna tell Carla to charge her phone with you have 7% no battery?
She didn't tell me to know that. I mean, she could if she looked at the app, but
But you know what? The chat knows that now, right now.
everybody knows that.
Anyway, here's the pool view. As expected, I said it multiple times. This is what is called Universal Boulevard. So if you want to make it to the other parks, you just take Universal Boulevard. At the moment of recording, that main street over there is currently under construction. So they have everybody going the other way, which is kind of like confusing. Because believe it or not, they don't even have a sign over there that says how to get to Stella Nova, just so you know. I'm assuming
I like this.
not the best view of anything, to be honest with you. Don't like the location. This is constructive criticism. But right over there, when you have this over there, that main street, that's for deliveries. I'm assuming the kitchen and the loading dock and all that is located over there, which is sucks for people that have that view. They could oversee things. And also,
Look at the hootses.
yep. And also, if the kitchen is receiving an order, depending the time that the trucks arrive, you could hear the semi trucks pulling over.
Maybe.
You hear that beep, beep. You might be. I don't know. The good thing is, if SeaWorld is having fireworks,
You
you will be able to see them from here. But I find it kind of awkward once again that yes, you get a pool view, you pay extra, but people that don't pay extra at the moment of recording, they pay cheaper for their room and they get
the epic view.
which is
They're gonna charge more. It's the epic view. They're gonna
crazy for me. But anyway, this is the pool view right over here. Comment down below, let us know, guys, what you think. Do you guys enjoy this room? If you made it so far in this video, just comment down below with a thumb up. Alrighty, guys, so there you have it here from Stella Nova Hotel here at Universal Studio. First hotel out of the 3 for Epic Universe. One thing I want to give you an observation currently, because I'm looking at the screen over here. Whether you're in the front of the hotel or here in your room, those look like you're in a cruise.
Cruise, yeah. Cruise ports.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It makes you feel like you're on a cruise.
Yes.
Anyway, guys, let us know what you thought about this room tour, about the hotel so far. Don't forget that we are actually recording a full tour of the entire hotel. We're also going to give you feedback of our first night staying here tonight on grand opening night for this hotel. So make sure you pay attention to the following video that we will post. Other than that, Karen, what do you think? What are your overall thoughts?
I like it. I really, really like it. I think it's really pretty. I think the concept is cool. I love the room. So I think it's a good one.
So is it gonna be comfortable for a family of 4? We shall see.
We shall see.
We'll let you know in the next video. Anyway, guys, until then, sadly, this adventure has ended. With that said, we have to remind everybody to
Subscribe.
and to smash that like button and turn on the bell for notification. And feel free to leave us a comment down below. Always remember to smile out, be great,
Be cool.
and stay awesome, guys. We'll see you in our next adventure.
Bye, guys.
See ya.
Bye.